Hey there, it's Pete with getyourhoneydolistdone.com, so you keep your wife happy.com, and I gotta change this water filter.com. There we go.com. Let's get that bad boy put back on there. Ease it back on, make sure it ain't leaking. Oh yeah. If mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today, and I'm gonna welcome you out here to my home. Turf type tall fescue bluegrass mix. Got a bluegrass renovation going on back there in the back, and kind of trying to be patient and not show you. I made a little Instagram post today. It's coming in pretty good. Well, I want to kind of do like a big reveal video when it's all ready and right and looking its best. So it's going to be a while before I show that again. I'll probably, hit the Instagram up on occasion, kind of give you a little update. So jump over there and follow me there. Number two, I know we're getting a bunch of emails about grass seed. When's this going to be in stock? When's this going to be in stock? Being in the grass seed business is very tough right now, very difficult. I shoot out a notification on my email list and hey, this just arrived, we got this in stock. So get on my email list if you want to keep up with that. That's in the description below. And I started something new, and basically all it is I want to kind of give a shout out to lawn care companies across the country. Whether you do fertilizer, weed control, mowing, hardscape installation, irrigation installation, I don't care, as long as it is lawn care related. You can send me a shirt. I wear 2X, and also send me, like this gentleman here just wrote it on a piece of notebook paper, and tell me the name of your company, what you guys do for a company, how to get in contact with your company, and I'm gonna link all that up in the description. Wear your t-shirt in the video, kind of give you a shout out. I'm super supportive of small business. I've been very blessed, and my company has grown from nothing to a very nice, profitable company now. And as a way to kind of return that and maybe hopefully show some favor to other companies across the country, I want to help you. And this is the best way I know how, is to use my platform to tell a little bit about your company, tell people where you do your work at. And hey, look, there's absolutely no cost. I don't want nothing. I don't expect nothing. And matter of fact, I won't accept anything for doing it. It's just something I want to do freely to help you guys out. So all that's in the description below if you own a lawn care company and you want to be a part of that. All American Turf Builders. Now, first and foremost, I really like the logo. Randall Davis owns this company, and first and foremost, he is retired from the United States Army. Mr. Davis, appreciate you and thank you very much for your service. It's men like you, women that are like you, that serve our country, that allow us to come out here and do what we do day in and day out and not really have to worry about threats and that kind of thing. Thank you for doing your part to keep us safe. He is in Murray, Kentucky, M-U-R-R-A-Y. So Mr. Davis in Murray, Kentucky does weed control, insect control, both lawn and shrubs, aeration, dethatching, overseeding, and lawn renovations. And I would assume probably anything else that kind of falls within that realm of services. One line really caught my attention in here. He wrote me a little note. I appreciate that. Appreciate for the informative videos. They're extremely helpful as I attempt to get my lawn management company off the ground. Sounds like Mr. Davis here is just getting started. So hey, he serves all of Western Kentucky. So if you're in Western Kentucky, if you're watching this and you need some help with your yard, go call Mr. Davis and support a veteran. Please do that. Show him a little love, use his business, see what he's about. I'm sure he'll do you a great job. And again, that's All American Turf Builders, Murray, Kentucky. I'll link up his information in the description below. Say, aerating seeding, a bunch of people across the country is knocking that out right now. It's prime time. And as you know, with my yard really looks good. It hung in there really well throughout the entire summer. I'm very, very pleased with it. Matter of fact, I was so pleased with it, I decided not to aerate and overseed my fescue bluegrass mix this year. So instead, y'all remember I applied a pre-emergent back in mid-August. But since then, I've had a few little spots here and there along my road, and again along the edge of the asphalt driveways. That's where typically you're going to have the majority of your problems, simply because the asphalt is going to heat up quicker than say out here in the yard, and it's going to heat that ground up. It's going to break down your pre-emergent a lot quicker. It's going to dry things out a lot quicker. It's going to create more stress a lot quicker. Everything's going to happen quicker along the edges of hard surfaces because the sun is beating down on it and heats it up. And the dirt beside the asphalt simply gets hotter quicker, stays hotter longer than the dirt out here in your yard. Causes all kind of problems. Even in my yard where I have full-blown irrigation, I have a few little spots here and there along the road that I need to fix today. The first thing I'll do is take my little rake, my little groundskeeper rake, and I will rake the area out as good as I possibly can, removing all the dead debris or stressed out debris or any of the brown debris that I see. I want it gone, and I want to try to get back down as close as I can to bare dirt. And after that, I'll take my little garden weasel and I'll simply break up the ground. Now you remember I said I put a pre-emergent down earlier. Well, the reason I need to break up this ground is to break up that barrier of the pre-emergent. Once I do that, I feel like there's no danger to my grass seed I'm putting down. And of course, then I go right behind it, put me a little grass seed down. I've got this other product I've showed you a few times over the past couple of years. It's called Seed Aid. It's basically a paper mulch that absorbs water and it's going to help to retain moisture. Obviously, it doesn't have any weeds in it like straw might potentially have. And I put a little light dusting of that over the area. Once I do that, it's a done deal. The grass seed I used was that new GCI Turf Spreader Elite, and it's going to blend in fine with my existing fescue. Matter of fact, fall 2020, when I come out here and aerated and overseeded, that's actually what I used. So it's actually been in my yard for a full season now. So hey, all that stuff I used to do this work out here, I'll link it up in the description below. I'll link up the email list in the description below, and I'll link up Mr. Davis's company in the description below. By all means, if you have the opportunity to support a veteran-owned company, do so. I myself am not a veteran, but I think it's very obvious I'm very outspoken, very passionate about supporting and being thankful to veterans for their service. So anytime I have the opportunity to support a company that a veteran owns, I'm going to do so. Again, Mr. Davis sounds like he's trying to get his company jump started and get it going. So if you're in Murray, Kentucky, or anywhere in Western Kentucky, by all means, please look in the description below and give this man a call. There's nothing in the world that says thank you more than put money in his pocket so that man can provide for his family. When we can support a veteran and do more than just say thank you, but show them thank you, I'm telling you, I just know that's game changing for those men and women that have put everything on the line and risked themselves and sacrificed themselves so you and I can kind of do what we do day in and day out and feel safe and protected. So that's all I got. I wanted to fix those spots right there and get it filmed up. Again, check out my Instagram. I just posted some pictures of the Kentucky Blue renovation back there. It's coming in pretty good. And as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.